Okay, we have a piecewise function here that's in 4 parts. Okay, so let's first draw up the boundaries. First of all, -3. So there's -3 up and down, and then a -1. Okay, and then a 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there's x, y. Now, before -3, it's x plus 7. Okay, so that means that it has a y-intercept of 7. Okay, so what is it? What is the value when it's -3? It's 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can include that. Okay, and draw the line with slope of 1. So it looks like this. Okay, so that's, I just finished drawing this. Next, from -3 to -1, it's an absolute value of x minus 2. Now, when x is between -3 and -1, it makes x minus 2 always negative. So it's actually going to be 2 minus x. Okay, that's going to equal to 2 minus x. So 2 minus x looks, right, it's y-intercept of 2 and slope of -1. So let's actually plug in -1 in there and you get 3. Okay, it's right there, 3. So you omit that. And then at -3, we're going to go up 2 steps. We're going over 2 steps here. So up 2 steps. 4, 5, so up at 5. So it's another line that goes from here to here. Okay, you omit the value there too because it's not equal to. Next, from -1 to 3, okay, for the third piece, so let's actually plug in -1. When x is equal to -1, we get a -1 squared minus 2 -1. That's 1 plus 2, so that's 3. So at -1, it's 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So it's gonna overlap there. Okay, but it doesn't actually fill that in because it still does not equal to. Okay, and at 3, it's also going to be 3. Okay, again, just an empty circle. And it's a parabola that passes through those 2 points, those roots. Lastly, it's 2x minus 3. So when you actually put 3 in here, you get exactly 3. So now finally, that circle gets filled in, and it's a slope of 2. So let's say approximately that's a slope of 2. So that's what the graph looks like. And you can see there's a discontinuity here and here. So we say when x is equal to -3, there is a jump discontinuity. When x is equal to -1, there's a removable discontinuity.